Even though an introduction tends to be the shortest part of a presentation, it is the part that needs to stand out to your audience to capture their attention. It's the first thing your audience will hear. So here are some practical suggestions to keep in mind to create a memorable introduction for your audience purpose and context. As a matter of fact, that should be the first thing to consider, is always remember your audience purpose and context. Next, have an appropriate attention grabber for your audience. It is exactly what the name implies, something that grabs the attention of your audience. An attention grabber can range from an interesting quote or an anecdote to a startling statistic or rhetorical question. Simply be sure to consider, again, your purpose, your topic, and the occasion for speaking when creating one. Next, be sure to state your thesis, your main idea, or your proposition. In other words, provide a concise statement that embodies the central message you want to communicate to your audience. In doing so, you'll help frame what you are speaking about. Another key element of an introduction is to establish audience relevancy. Why should your audience care or listen to what you are talking about? Help your audience see how your topic relates to their experience. We do this through making statements that establish some common ground with our audience. Take the time to do so, and you will benefit from a more engaged audience. You want to also establish your credibility on the issue or the topic that you are speaking about. How can you demonstrate that you are trustworthy to speak about your topic? Do you have some amount of background or experience with your topic that you can express to your audience? Demonstrate your goodwill and interest in what you are speaking about early on, and your audience will hopefully come along for the whole ride. Finally, start to transition into the body of your speech by providing a preview of the main points you plan on discussing. A simple preview operates as a framing device and a signpost that the bulk of your content or argument is about to begin. Taking the time to write a good introduction will help you capture your audience's attention, connect with them, and establish the content you plan on speaking about. Ultimately, it is another way to help you find your voice.
Speech Lab is brought to you through a generous grant from the National Communication Association.